Hello everyone, welcome back to Cynthia She's So Blessed channel. I hope everyone have been doing so wonderful and so great. I'm back guys with another video, and today's video will be a refresh of my kitchen. So guys, I will be taking you along with the work they have done into my kitchen. They knocked out walls, they did new cabinets, and the young man that did the cabinets, want to give him a shout out, Mr. Lopez. The one did the counter, want to give him a shout out, Mr. Diaz. And I want to give the guys who knocked out the wall, Charlie, a big shout out too, for helping me get through this here process. Well guys, I know it's been a while, but I'm back now. I didn't want to come back until they finish up this here project, with it taking almost a whole month. So that's the last time you had got to see me. But I'm here now, and I hope you enjoy my contents with my new refresh of my kitchen. So you sit back guys and enjoy the video. I miss you guys so much, and I'm going to be jumping on here and showing you more contents and bringing more things that you can do to a small place like mine. So it either gonna be the one in Florida or Georgia, but however, I will definitely be back to bring you some more contents for a small place. So guys, sit back and enjoy the video, and a big shout out to my new and old subscribers. And also guys, I'm gonna be giving you some content as far as cooking and a little bit of ideas that how I would decorate my space. So guys, I just want to say hello and stay tuned for more updates on the kitchen. Have a wonderful, blessed day, and thank you for watching the video. Bye bye. Guys, before I go, if you like this here type of video, you know what to do. Give me a thumb up, keep your notification bell on, and share my video. It will help my channel. And if you're not a new subscriber, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You guys have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye bye. And a family room, Muggy. Yes, ma'am.